Hi friends, welcome to another video. In the previous videos, you have seen the unboxing followed by how to assemble the Quarky Robo Dog Mini. In this video, we will see the basic leg movement or the servo motor movement of the four legs. And in upcoming videos, we will see how to make a complex movement, or maybe it will be simple and then we'll go towards the complex. So let's start how to move the Quarky Robo Dog Mini. So for that, first we need to pair it, right? So for pairing, we have this switch, right? That's internally connected with the power button. So I'll just switch it on. I'll press it inside and I see the light is glowing, and at the same time so this explanation I will show you later, but let's connect the board. And this Quarky Bluetooth connection, refresh. So PictoBlox link is running now. Now it's able to detect, and I got the sound, which means the Quarky is connected, and it's confirmed here as well. So now we have the Quarky and we have the PictoBlox ready with all the Quarky blocks. But because we are using Quarky Expansion Board, so we should not directly use the Quarky plugin. We will look for the expansion board from the extension. So once the expansion boards are loaded, the first thing is we have to initialize the expansion board, because Quarky should know that things are not connected with me, they are connected with the expansion board. So this is the first and foremost thing you have to do. So let me connect it with the green flag, and you will see it takes some time. Like if you click on the green flag, initially it will take some time. So you see the highlight is still there and now it's gone. So that's the time it takes. And once it is done, your Quarky is ready to move. How to move? Because they are servo motors and you know which servo is connected with which leg, or you can figure it out right now and you can program them. So how can I do? This is the golden block. So I will take a on space. Okay, when space key is pressed, and then this is the servo motor number 1, and I think the servo motor 1 means it is pointing to this one. So if it is true, then if I make the angle 0 degree or whatever degree it is, it should move, because I know they all are 90 degree. So if it is not 90 degree, it should respond. So which leg responds will tell me which leg the servo motor 1 is connected. So if I click on let me click on the green flag one more time and then click on space, and this is the leg as I guessed. So now the thing is, we will start with marking each leg, which leg is connected with which servo motor. So for that, let me open the notepad, the paint. Let me clean this and draw one more time. So now imagine this is your Quarky. Okay, you have 4 legs. The Quarky has 4 legs, and I'm not a good artist maybe, so please consider it. Now this is the left of the dog, Quarky dog, and this is the right, left, right, and this is the left front and right front. So I can say LF, and this is RF. Similarly, this is the left back, LB, and this is the right back, RB. So now once we name them, now I know servo motor 1 is connected with RF. So I will just mention here S1. RF is S1. Now we'll figure out what is the LF. I know it is S2. Still, let's check it out. So I'll just simply make it 2. And now if I try to operate, the dog will fall on his both feet, right? But it's okay, fine. Oh, but see what happened. The same angle 0 for servo motor 1 is bending the leg in the back side, but the same 0° angle for the left front motor is pulling it in the front side. So that's the mirror effect I was telling. So let's come back. So there is one more parameter we need to make a note, looks like, right? So yeah, first of all, we understood this is the servo motor 2, but now the point is, when I switch to servo motor angle 0 for S1, it's pointing backward. So that means this is the 0° for RF, and obviously this is going to be the 180°. Similarly for LF, I mean not similarly, it's a mirrorly, it will be, this will be 0° and this will be 180°. So now we can come up with a chart, right? So before that, let's finish all the other leg detection. So we will similarly check for 1, 2 and 3. So 3, 0°. So see, as I told you, or have I told you, I know, this is the servo motor number 3, right? And if I have told you in the last video, I think, that these two servo motors are identical. I mean, their degree will be identical. If this guy is 0° is backside, his 0 also is backside, and this is the 180° side. Similarly, this guys will be, this two guy will be also symmetric, 180, 0 and 180. But these two sides are mirror of each other. Yeah. So with that, just let me finish the fourth servo also. So just pause your video and guess where this servo should bend, and once you guessed, let me press the space button. Yeah, I think you guessed so, right? And that, with that, our calculation is ready. So let me write it down like so now if I just draw a line, imagine this is your servo XY coordinate for each servo, and this is the maximum range, you can say. Yeah, it's the range, 0 to 180° range, and then you know which one is what. And this is the 90° position, this is the 90° position. Okay, so if you have this with you, what can you do? You can move the Robo Dog Mini to some angle, right? So you already saw how they are moving. But now I want to do some fairly complex, or I would say simple movement where multiple legs are involved. So for that, let's meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.